My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Yoga Pilates for Athletes fusion workout. The beautiful mobility, flexibility, and balance of yoga combined with the core strengthening and power of Pilates. It's all body weight, no equipment is needed. And to take your practice even deeper, you can grab my two best-selling books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. Link is below. All right, are you ready? Click that thumbs up button and let's go. Make sure you share this with your coach, teammates, and everybody else who wants to boost their performance. Let's begin in downward facing dog. I'm gonna keep the socks on because it's a little chilly here in Tennessee. We're gonna press back and add a little bit of a walk, stretching the whole back side of your body. Open the fingers wide. If you've never done Pilates or yoga before, do this workout. Just modify it. Work on certain parts of it. And if you want more like this, let me know in the comments below. More training for athletes. Good, a slow walk, opening up the calves, the hamstrings, the glutes, the shoulders, and lots of deep breaths. I'll do my darnest to flow everything together. Now take the feet a little further back. We're going to inhale forward to plank position. Hands are on the shoulders, elbows in, press the heels back, pull the abdominals in, and then we press back to down dog. So back and forth, your goal is to keep it smooth. We come forward, the core starts to activate, the abdominals, lower back, hips and glutes, then we press back into that mighty posterior chain stretch. Inhale, exhale, working those heels down, tuck the chin. You want to work on that flow, connecting it all together. As I eat my shirt, yummy, yummy, yummy. Press it back. Let's do two more. Inhale forward, exhale back. Once again. Take it back to down dog. Hold it here. Press into the palms. Never waste a good down dog. Full stretch. Everything loosening up, lubricating. You can sway the hips side to side. Two more breaths. Good, move it around. Feel some movement in the spine, in the back. Now, hands and knees position. Hands are on the shoulders, knees under the hips. The bird dog, balance, stability, and core strength. Inhale, right leg, left arm, parallel to the ground. Exhale, come down, and then other side, working the opposites. Challenging your body to move and keep that core engaged and stabilized. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3. One of my favorites to teach. Always seems rather simple at first, but the more you do it, you really got to stay focused. There's 5. Like me on my counting. Oh, my counting. All right, 7, 8. You want more of a challenge, by the way. For the next time you do it, take the hands further forward. Practice this daily. All right, lower down for the breaststroke, classic Pilates exercise. We're going to do 8 of them. Arms into your sides, legs together, building that strong back. Inhale, reach forward, open the legs. Exhale, pull back and lift. All right, 7 more. Here we go. 2. Stretch it out. 3. Good. Flowing movement. 4. Let's do 4 more. Lengthening in those Pilates exercises, long, lean muscles, resistant to injury. Stretch and pull, lifting up, opening the chest. 1 more time. Oh, that's a beautiful thing right there. And then take the fingertips down, lower down, bend that right leg, press it back, scorpion. Get some rotation in there, so important for performance, athletic performance. Take it both sides. Try to bring the toes down if you can, stretching this right shoulder. Let's do it 2 more times each side. Woo! Thank goodness for these socks. Yesterday I was filming with my granny socks on. Very attractive. Pressing into this hand, rotation, opening up the groin, the abdominals. All right, I'm gonna add, let's do one more on each side for good measure. Love the scorpion. Get those sides loosened up, better rotation, more strength in the rotation, rotational power. Hands under the shoulders, lift up cobra or up into upward facing dog. Open the chest, lift the knees off the mat if you can. Stretching your back, strengthening your back, the arms, the shoulders, opening up the chest and the abdominals. And then lower down, take the arms forward for Pilates swimming. Stretch it out, opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, lift, exhale down. Go for length, strengthening the back like the bird dog, doing opposites. You could also speed it up. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch it out, Superman. Good. Back, glutes, everything in between. Now press it back, child's pose. Very powerful stretch to release the back and to release stress and tension and anxiety. Press into that child's pose, relax down. Little shimmy side to side, wipe your forehead on the mat. And lots of breath. One more breath, stretch it out. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. We're gonna lift the right leg up, stretching back, lift the leg, cock it right there. Right foot forward, lunge. Drop that left knee or stretch that leg out, and we have a beautiful twist right here. Bring this right arm up. Let the movement come from your center though. There's the core, there's the rotation, the openness that we so much need. Think of throwing a ball, catching a ball, swinging a bat, tennis racket, golf club. And then bring the hands down and stretch that right leg. Maybe it's just a little bit, maybe it's a little bit more. Practice it. This is called a pyramid stretch. You can rock it back and forth. Inhale forward, exhale back, coaxing that area behind the knee. All right, one more time. Don't want to rush it. Don't want to rush it. You can repeat this 2, 3, 4 times. Let's take a flow before we go to the other side. We're going to step back to down dog, put together a vinyasa power flow. We're all doing power yoga now. Inhale forward to plank. We got that. Keep pressing forward. Now lower down. This is called a hover. A chaturanga, elbows hugging the sides, pulling the abs in. We come down to cobra, lift, or into the up dog. It's up to you. Drop the shoulders, squeeze the glutes, get some elasticity in the spine. Lower down, and then back to down dog. Beautiful. Left leg comes up. Let's balance it out. Cock that leg. Left foot forward. We have the lunge, and add the twist. Open it up. Stretch. What we're doing is we're opening the shoulder and the chest, pulling them apart, creating some space in the attachment. And then, hello pyramid. We have lunge, and then flirt with this. Inhale forward, exhale back. It's dynamic movement. It goes through your range of motion. Working the quads, the hip flexors, the hamstrings. All right, one more time. Step it back, down dog. Let's do that flow once again. Inhale forward, exhale down, control. Excellent, cobra or up dog. You want that strong, loose back. Oh. And then lower. Now take it back. Let's bring it around to a seated position. Shake out the arms and the legs. Hopefully no one's gonna play basketball here while I'm filming, but we'll see. Spine stretch, Pilates move. Ankles, edges of the mat. Arms forward, We're gonna exhale, reach forward. Think of hinging up and over a beach ball. Squeeze the breath from the lungs, and then inhale, rise back up, stack your spine as if there's a wall behind you. So nice and tall. Knees can bend if you're feeling extra tight. Exhale, hinge. Squeeze the breath from the lungs, getting movement in the legs, in the core, and always reinforcing that strong posture. 2 more times. Nox zwei mehr. Beautiful. This seated series we're doing right here, it's great for every sport. I really think about it for golf and tennis. That's the feedback I get with these seated Pilates yoga series. Now rise up, feet flat, arms to the sides, or take the feet up into a half boat. The emphasis goes into the abdominals, working the core. Shoulders are relaxed. You could also take the legs all the way out. Oh my, or keep it here. This is my little shoulder roll back and down, my little twitch. There we go. Keep it loose. Fingers and toes are loose. 2 more breaths. This is really fun to do with heavy shoes on as well. Right into the saw. God bless it. My father's favorite Pilates exercise. Take the heels edges of the mat or wider. Arms out. We're going to twist to the right. Reach, hinge up and over this pinky toe with the pinky finger. Inhale back to, oh, I should have zipped up my pocket. Inhale back to the center, twist other side, and reach. Good posture, tall, chest open, rotation, and then stretch it out. All right, one more time each side. Like a 80s robot here. I'm a GoBot. Twist and hinge. It's all right here, my friends. Every darn diddly day. Come back, half boat. If you want to add on the theme of the twist, you could do boat twist. 10 times. We exhale, boom. Inhale back. 2, 3, oh, definitely more challenging. 4, 5, 6, let it shake. 7, good. 8, woo, shake it. 9, and one more. 10, it's a beautiful thing. Shake it out. Well, I should do that too. Shake it all out. All right, let's finish off down here. Don't leave yet. Got a couple amazing moves coming up here, starting with windshield wipers. We take the legs back and forth all the way down the spine, releasing the back. Shoulders are down, chest is open. You can extend the top leg out if you like, or keep the legs right here. Sometimes I get carried away and I come all the way over just to see who's behind me. Also a nice added stretch. All right, back to the center. Right knee comes in, left leg out. Single leg stretch. Pull it in, inhale, switch, extend. There we are. Big stretch for your hip flexors, working your core. Head can always be down if you like. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, that's beautiful. 4, single straight leg stretch. Take the right leg up, left leg out. Reach as high as you can, or take the fingers back here. You can bend the knees. We're gonna pull. Start here, or start here. Inhale, exhale. Your lower back is imprinted. This is a chance to seal up that pocket. Good, flowed right into that, didn't I? Stretching the backs of the legs again while we strengthen the core. Core is always stabilizing. All that power coming from your center to run faster, jump higher, crawl better, move quicker. 2 more each leg. 1, 2, 2. Crisscross, right leg in, 90 degrees. Lift the chest 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now reverse it. Take the elbow to the leg. 1, 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful work, my friends. Arms out. Again, windshield wipers, side to side. Oh, so nice. All right. Twist it out. How you feeling? One more time each side. Let's hug it out. Bring the knees into the chest. Head up or down, rocking side to side. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Beautiful work, my friends. You want more yoga and Pilates workouts for athletes? Let me know in the comments below. Whew. And these are the kind of exercises, kind of routines you got to share with your team, your coaches, your teachers, your teammates, just not your rivals. Just not your rivals. Whew. And don't forget to get my 2 best-selling books. We'll flash them on the screen there. Give you everything you need to be the best possible athlete, any age, any level, any place. All right. Beautiful work, my friends. If this workout helped, please click that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and always click that notification bell. You'll never miss one of my workouts. It's me, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I, coming to you from a basketball court in Tennessee. We got to film. We got to get outside. I want to train with you. So thanks for doing it with me. And as always, Coach Vigue, we'll see you around. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.